Hello guys, and welcome back to another problem-solving tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to fix one of the most common 3D camera tracker errors in After Effects. Before we continue, if you want these exact shakes, I've linked my AM Film Shake preset pack in the description. Just drag and drop and your edits instantly look more dynamic. Alright, let's get back to it. To fix the analysis solve failed error, first change shot type to specify angle of view, then set the horizontal angle of view to around 40. In many cases, this is enough to solve the problem. If it still does not work, like in my case, expand the advanced settings and enable detailed analysis. This tells After Effects to spend more time analyzing the footage and search for additional tracking information, which often succeeds where the standard analysis fails. After Effects will now analyze the footage again, and in many cases the error will be gone once the process is complete. As you can see, we fixed the first issue, but now we've run into another one. There are no tracking points to select. Don't worry. This is an easy fix. Go to the View menu and make sure Show Layer Controls is enabled. Next, go back to the View menu, scroll down to switch 3D View, and make sure Active Camera is selected. And that's it. The 3D camera tracker is now working correctly, and we can continue editing our video. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.